Hi, my name is David P. Shapiro. I am a San Diego criminal lawyer, and I am the owner and managing partner of the law office of David P. Shapiro based out of San Diego. And today I want to share with you some tips that I suggest you look for when you are looking at hiring a criminal defense law firm. First thing is notice how I said law firm, not criminal law attorney or solo practitioner. And that's really important. No disrespect to the solo practitioners out there. I was one for a large part of my career. But what I could tell you is that when you have a firm and a team of individuals working on your case, all with defined roles, all with defined expectations, you are the one who benefits from that. So let's talk about an example. You call a law firm, or you think you're calling a law firm, and the attorney answers their own phone. Okay. And they spend 30 minutes with you, you randomly call. Okay, that's great, right? Well, it is, but it isn't. Because what are those 30 minutes, where were those 30 minutes budgeted before you called? Were they working on somebody else's case? Were they working on a paying client's case that now that got pushed to the back burner because they're spending 30 minutes randomly speaking to you? So you have to think about that. Yeah, at first it's great. Take my calls all the time. But that's how you feel maybe as a potential client. How do you feel about that policy when you're a current client and there's all these distractions and the attorney that you hired and are paying good money to is unprepared because their days get sidetracked? They can't keep a schedule. They may not want to keep a schedule. Very important that you hire a law firm with a team of people who run their business the right way because that protects you in the end. Another factor is experience. Far more important than years of experience is quality of experience. You are better off with an attorney representing you that's been a lawyer for 10 or 15 years, that has tried very serious cases if you're facing a serious charge, and that has handled cases in a courthouse where your case will be heard, than hiring a lawyer who's got 30 years or 40 years of experience that maybe is in a criminal courtroom once a week or once a month or 4 times a year, as opposed to having a lawyer that's in court multiple times a week, that knows the prosecutors, that knows the judges, that knows the court staff, and more importantly, has their respect, has earned the respect of prosecutors, court staff, and judges. Far too often people say, well, my attorney's got 30 or 40 years of experience. That means they must be good. What if they've been doing things wrong for 30 years? What if they've been incompetent for 30 years? What if they've been mediocre for 30 years? You're better off with someone who's got real life experience in those types of cases. And finally, with regard to price, my firm is certainly not the cheapest law firm out there, certainly not the cheapest criminal defense firm in San Diego, and there's a reason for that. A lot of times people will come in and they'll say, well, you kind of quoted the same fee that the first firm I went to quoted me, but then I got them down, 30%. And I asked the client to look at that and think about it. You got them down 30%. Well, that's awesome for you now because you saved some money. But what type of a negotiator did you just engage to be your lawyer, or did you just interview to be your lawyer? Someone who's going to give away 30% of their money. What are they going to do when it's your freedom, when it's your money, when it's your time, when it's your reputation? They're going to give away the farm. That's not someone you want representing you. You also want someone representing you who's going to quote you a fair and accurate fee for the work they're going to put in. You don't want someone who's just going to take some money, a fraction of what other firms may cost or charge you, because they don't know or don't care how much work is really required to represent you the right way. All they're doing is going to be chasing that dollar because they have bills to pay. That's reckless. That's not someone worthy of being your attorney, whether you're charged with the misdemeanor first-time DUI or whether you're charged with murder. Encourage you to give our firm a call if you're charged with or facing investigation for a crime in San Diego. Experience the difference firsthand. 619-295-3555.